Watch the moment Chioma surprised her husband Davido with his birthday cake. They partied all night, and Uche Maduagwu, popular Nollywood actor, reacted and questioned Sophia Momodu why she did not or refused to celebrate Davido yesterday. Netizens reacted. This video is going to entail all, so keep on watching. Let's go there.
Everybody, we need to take the music down. Hey, get the music, Birthday boy. Birthday boy. Guys, we know why we're here tonight, right? Yeah. We know why we're here tonight, right? Yeah. We came out here to celebrate one person in here. I'm saying he brought the whole city out, and it was lit. Are y'all ready for something with the birthday boy right now? Yeah. If you're ready, say hell yeah. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. We gonna sing it like this. Happy birthday, lovely friend. One more year, fun day. Happy birthday to you. Yeah. Happy birthday, David. We just getting motherfucking started, bro. And it was lit. Are y'all ready to celebrate with the birthday boy right now? Yeah. You ready to say hell yeah? Hell yeah.
Speed to the city streets, we began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
This is Chioma with Davido's daughter, Hailey Adeleke. This is so beautiful and heavenly to watch. Hailey Adeleke wished her dad a happy and blissful birthday. In her words, she said, "Happy birthday, best friend. Love you for life, Papa at Davido." Is their relationship for me? Oh. So it now means that Chioma and Hailey's mother, they are in good talking terms, like they are in good relationship. There's a cordial relationship between these two people. Uche Maduagwu, popular Nollywood actor, drags Sophia Momodu for not wishing Davido a happy birthday. No posts, no messages, nothing.
This is spiritually wrong. This is spiritually wrong. My Sophia, my Sophia. So, you know, if you even celebrate your picking papa on his birthday, even if you don't want post them, you don't even tell your picking, make him post them to celebrate them. No, this is spiritually wrong. And you know, say Davido is a great dad. He's a great dad. Let me tell you, it's not a must make you do a move. But as mama, when we say, now you go to carry scripture, now you go to read scripture, we begin for social media. Why can't you do this? What will it cost you to do it? Nothing. Just to see, if you do something that is spiritually right, I will support you. But when you do something where we say it's not spiritually right, I will come out and say, no, this is wrong. It is wrong. I hear say, even his second daughter, Hailey, post them to celebrate them. Now, duty of mama to do them. It doesn't matter the wahala where you and him, Papa, they get. No. What spiritual lesson are you teaching your pikin on his papa's birthday? You know, tell her, make him post to celebrate am. There's a difference between Pale and Papa. There's a difference between a great dad and father. Davido is a great dad. People will be saying, no even know, and they celebrate a person will give 300 million naira to charity. All the money where you don't give charity now. If you count up, you don't they go 800 and something million. We are not ready in this country. We are not ready. Surely, Kababara so on Nigeria.
Uche Maduagwu, the way he shakes his head, the day whether his head go fall comot for his neck. Hey! Anyways, I quickly went to Emade's page, Emade Adeleke's page, Sophia's daughter, Davido's first daughter, to see if she wished Davido a happy birthday, any birthday post, birthday. I did not see any. Unlike Emade, hey, this Davido and Sophia matter, Itai Rapao is not a small chum thing. And for Uche Madawo that is dragging Sophia Momodu, abeg see, I love the video, but you see this particular one, Sophia should just dey her day before they start dragging her. Had it be she made any posts or celebrated the video on her Instagram page or social media platforms or her Snapchat account, some people will still find a way to drag her. They will start reading meaning and start pushing unnecessary narratives. So I should just do her day for her sanity's sake. That's the best. But for Emade not to wish her dada, her dad, her papa a happy birthday, maybe birthday message, post or anything, you get as e be o. You get as e be. Even though marriage no work between us, I beg, but that relationship between you and your dad, it shouldn't be something that I should compromise because I did not end up with you, or because things went sour, or because we are quarreling or fighting or having issue. You know, consent picking where we carry come word now. Eh, that's it. Too. Unless Imade did it behind camera, because I want to believe that everything must not be on camera. Everything must not be on camera. But if indeed, in reality, the girl did not celebrate her dad, I beg Sophia should do better. I beg, because this girl go grow one day. She go grow definitely. Ain't go look for him papa. Ain't go look for him papa. And social media, because the video don't try, and it's there on the internet. And what some people don't know is that you see what the video did is just part of his evidence. So that when that girl grows and see all the whole things, the whole saga back and forth, how her mother denied the father access to her, she no go two verse. So she no go two verse. Ain't go talk say, na she na my mama na him see me, my papa no come see me. Na my mama na him say this. Like him go find a way to push blame on Davido. No matter what, that's bridge. I beg, they should try. Both parties should try, and mend it. It is well. That being said, guys, that brings me to the end of this video. Please do give this video a thumbs up, massive likes, comment, and share so that this video will get the visibility that it needs. In case you're watching for the first time, this is Loudly GISTLOVER YouTube. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. On this channel, we react, analyze, we give trending gist, celebrity news, true crime, and true crime stories. And to my returning subscribers, thank you for always watching, liking, commenting, and sharing. Bye bye for now. As I'm signing out for my next one. Peace out. I love you all. Okay, merci and bye.